We are going to make a teddy bear, so that's why I have taken a brown sheet to make its body, yellow to make its face. Now putting the yellow sheet over its body in this way to make it look more attractive. Amazing, beautiful. Now here we are going to make a baby frog in this way in a cute style by using a green sheet, folding it up and pasting over it, putting its eye in this way. It's ready. Now here we are going to make a bug. You can say bug or insect. So you can use any color sheet to make its body, its wing. It's ready. Now here we are going to make a angry bird by folding the sheet in this way. As you can see, it's almost done. Now putting its eyes. Amazing. Now we are going to make a bird. So just making its body with white, its tail with brown, its beak with yellow, its leg with yellow too, putting its leg in this way as you can see. Now making the greenery by putting the green sheet around it. Here we have taken a long sheet, cut it up in this way. So here we are going to make a huge smiley flower. It's ready. Now taking a colorful sheet all together, cutting it up in this shape and pasting all over it together. Okay, so taking a black sheet, a parachute is ready. In the next we have taken a sheet, folding it up in this way and drawn a heart and cutting it out all together. So we'll get this design. Wow, amazing. In the next, we are going to make a fish in very craziest way. So just take a sheet, cut its eyes in this way, paste all over it as you can see in the video, put its eye, cut its mouth in this way. It's ready. In the next, we are going to make a porcupine. So just making its face by taking a sheet and plates in its behind to make its back in this way as you can see. It's ready. Easy. Now we have taken a light blue sheet and cutting the cloud, a part of sun and taking a lots of clip all together, pasting it. So just in this way, rainbow is ready. Beautiful. So just guess what's this? Any guesses? It's a rat. Making a small rat in this way. Cute, isn't it? Now we are making here a interesting toy as you can see in the video. So just folding it up in this way as you can see. Wow. Little cut on each edges as you can see in the video. Now open it up in this way, fold it up, make a plate. Now apply the another one over it in this way. Insert a stick, rolling another sheet over it like this. It's ready. In the next we are going to make a bee in heart shape. So just putting its pink wing in this way as you can see. Making its face, a cute bee is ready. Thank you for watching.